Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change email ID on Google Pay, right? So what you have to do, basically it's very easy thing to do. By the way, Google Pay is only available in India and some of the countries like Singapore, and it is right now they are expanding, so maybe it could available in your country. So you have to just tap on it. Once you tap on it on the Google Pay, as you can see here right now it's only available in 3 countries. So I will just select my country here, and now I will just click on continue, right? And here I have to enter my phone number, right? So it will not ask, first of all, it will not ask your email address, it will ask your phone number. So guys, once you have added your number, it will show that the linked, basically the linked email address. So what you have to do, just click on it, and basically you will get an option to change your email. So here, as you can see here, I have different email address, so I can just change my email. For example, it's this email, so I can just add this email, and I will just click on accept and continue, and that's it. So this is how you can change your email address over Google Pay. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.